So hello, and this is the last video in this Spline design course. I hope you like this course and it was helpful to you. So it's because this is the last lesson, let me make some summary. To start create something, you need an idea. And if you just haven't any, but want to create something, there are a lot of options you can do. You can find some inspiration via sites like Pinterest, Behance, or Dribbble. You can find something and try to repeat it, just for having practice. Or you can explore Spline community and remix some projects to learn or to play. Also, you can play with Spline library and learn new techniques or practice materials. You can just experimenting with objects and maybe from this default rectangle you will create a 3D app icon. Or you create some abstract 3D object or some scene with a few objects and interesting materials. Or some phone concept or phone mockup. Or AR interface or some motion design, 3D lettering, mockups, interior design, character, 3D icons or some web game or even mobile app. Spline is unique app with quite simple and friendly interface, list of 3D objects and with some functions inside you can do so many things from a simple 3D icon to independent iOS app. So when you will find something and start doing it, remember, think about the ways how you can achieve your result. From which shapes you should start, which options you can apply. Should it be cloner or boolean modifier? Can you achieve your shape with the sub-div modeling or simple 3D shape will be enough? Try to build a final picture in your mind. See the shapes, lights, materials, colors, styles, and stylization, and then try to bring it to the life. While the process, try to keep your space clean, layers named, and objects centered when it's possible. Do not be afraid to make many attempts. It's okay to have 10 attempts without satisfying result and find something on attempt number 11. Use groups to combine objects, to center it, to apply animation. Use grouping. It's your friend. While working, remember about 3 key things for good looking 3D: light and shadows, context, and details. Think not about only one object, but also how it can interact with another or with the background. Mesh objects work better with light and matcaps than 3D primitives. It's okay to don't know something. You can always try to find the answer in the Spline tutorials, Spline documentation, or ask in the Spline chat in Discord, or even ask me. Share your result with the others. Share your work in the socials or with the Spline community. Later, it helps your personal brand and can make you more recognizable and popular. If you're gonna embed your project into the web, don't forget to optimize your scene. You will find your way, your style, but to do that, only one thing you really need is practice. Enjoy the process, make it fun. Also, I want to share a few helpful resources I use for my Spline creations. The first one is the Skybox by Blockade Labs. Here you can generate by prompt a 360 image, and then you can use this image as an image for a sphere to create a 360 background like this, or as an image for matcap to add a reflection. Easyncs.net. Here you can take this number for your customer bezier. First 2 numbers is XY for control 1 and the other 2 for XY for control 2. Another one I use a lot and can recommend you is a GIF converter by Red Ketchup. I like this converter and use it when I need to convert video to GIF. With this converter, final GIF file looks good and doesn't weigh much. Not so far, I started playing with the Luma Labs, where you can create not only Gaussian splat, but also a 3D object by prompt. Yes, you heard right. You can write your prompt and generate a simple 3D object, and then you can download it and paste into your Spline scene. So yeah, definitely keep your eyes on it. So this is it. I hope with all knowledges I share with you during this course, it will be much easier to learn Spline in the future and grow as a designer in this direction. So thank you for being with me, and I wish you good luck, and stay in touch.